Its diversity and richness is the common heritage of all the Sudanese people.
This is the forgotten or abandoned residence of late Dr. John Garang de Mabur, which is located in New Site, Natinga, Payam of Capoeira East County in eastern Equatorial State. The Taposa community is appealing to the South Sudanese government to preserve the house and to make use of it as a tourist attraction center and a historical site. They say the house is still having personal belonging of late Dr. John Garang de Mabur, including his rifle, AK-47, his bookshelf, knife, and traditionally broom for mosquitoes, among other items.